You've been speaking English for years. You've studied grammar. You've memorized words. You've practiced in silence, in your room, in front of mirrors. But when it comes to talking to someone, you freeze. Your words vanish. Your confidence disappears. You feel invisible. And yet, the truth is, the skill you want isn't in books. It isn't in apps. It's not in repeating phrases alone. The real power comes from something simple, something you've been avoiding, something most people fear: speaking to strangers. Most people will tell you to practice with friends, to join online groups, to repeat after a teacher. That is comfort. That is safety. But growth, real growth, lives outside comfort. The people you don't know, the strangers, the ones you cannot predict, they are the true mirror of your skill. Because strangers don't care about your mistakes. They won't sugarcoat your words. They will test you, push you, challenge you. And only then will you learn what you are really capable of. But let's be honest, the first time is terrifying. You feel your stomach twist, your throat tightens. You tell yourself you're not ready. You imagine all the ways you might fail. You imagine laughter, judgment, rejection, and you stay silent. I know that fear. I have felt it, and so have millions of others. It's the fear that keeps us trapped, that keeps our English stuck in books, in repetition, in silence. It's the invisible wall between knowing and speaking. I want to tell you a story about a young man named Arjun. He had been learning English for 5 years, 5 years of classes, apps, private tutors, and yet he couldn't order a coffee in a busy cafe without freezing. His voice trembled, his sentences came out broken. One day he missed the bus. He had to ask for directions. A stranger approached him, smiling, and Arjun, he panicked. He wanted to hide, but something inside him snapped. He remembered a single phrase he had learned. "Excuse me, can you help me?" The words were small, but his heart was pounding like a drum, and as he spoke, he saw something amazing. The stranger didn't laugh, didn't judge. They smiled, they responded, and just like that, a conversation began. Not perfect, not flawless, but real. That day, Arjun discovered something he could not learn in a classroom. He discovered the courage to speak. He discovered the power of imperfection. And he discovered that strangers, they are not monsters, they are teachers. The shift is simple but profound. It is a change of mindset. You stop seeking approval. You stop waiting to be perfect. You start seeing each interaction as practice, as growth, as a tiny victory. When you talk to strangers, something remarkable happens. You begin to understand the rhythm of language. You hear how sentences flow. You feel the energy of conversation. You stop thinking about grammar. You start thinking about connection. And here are the lessons that will transform you if you are ready to act. First, speak before you are ready. The perfect moment will never come. You will never feel ready. The courage comes from action, not preparation. Arjun did not know what to say at first. He stumbled, he paused, but each word built confidence. Each attempt strengthened him. Your action is your teacher. The step you take today will echo tomorrow. Go, speak, now. Second, embrace mistakes as proof of effort. Every mispronounced word, every wrong tense, every awkward pause, it is proof you are learning. When Arjun said the wrong word, the stranger smiled and corrected him gently. That correction was a gift. Mistakes are not failures. They are signposts guiding you toward mastery. Do not hide from them. Seek them. Learn from them. Third, make it a habit. Speak every single day. One conversation, then another. One question, then another. Consistency is invisible at first. You might not see progress, but inside, change is happening. Arjun started with a single conversation, then 2, then 10. 30 days later, he was speaking freely, naturally, without fear. The habit created the transformation. You are what you practice every day. And now imagine yourself 30 days from today. You approach someone, a stranger. Your voice is calm. Your words are flowing. Your confidence is quiet, steady, unshakable. You are no longer the person who feared mistakes. You are the person who creates them.